Kini kedai kedudash Meghalaya bagi pedang subhai pi barok syakana ketup kubur mentaka janmit syawan paj ki kubur ki berbenya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Jingkran u Amit Shah haka singipli perdaya ke Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. Penbet kesoka Meghalaya bensyong jingyelang bat ke harijan panchayat komiti haka tayau ke bekaddu jong ubenai nailur. Penlong Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke jingyelang ke bedon kam bat kihek kihan jong ketenat sorkar beper-beper banyamir jengmut halor udrok. Talanting unong elam keliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma halo ka jingtung kam chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Badai jubab Menteri kam jengok kai perthai uba pol lingdo halo ka jingeki jong ka seng all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association. Kikubo ke bebenyak. Menteri Kampok Yeng Amit Shah mentaka sengi uloong baga cyber security lani kilat jingada hakabe dei bat ke internet ki dei ki benta ki bekongsan jong ka syongsuk syongsngan jong kari da ka boong baga soka pedeng ka labu jing temu ban ai jing hikai hadu san hajar ngut ki pulit cyber commando hakini ki sansnam ki banwan banile persya iki kambaman lingba ke internet lani ki cyber crime. Uloong yakini ki kentien hakapo bula ai jingkran haka sengi barakhe yaka sengi seng nongrem ka beningkong jong ka Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center hanong ba New Delhi. Da ka bapen paru ba ka jing pendon kam internet ka long ka lanangjur haka jan barok kiliang une Menteri uloong ru ba ka jing siu pisa da kila digital bat ka jing pendon kam yaki digital data kila nang kieu takat ba nang mi isengi hapo ka negeri. Kabalanang kentiu ru ya ka jingkit khliye jong ki breu ke bidan benta bat ka cyber security.
दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट I4C का है इसलिए मैं पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई और साधुवाद देना चाहता हूं.
Ka sorka jela Meghalaya kala dep ban penbet ban syong jingelang bat ka kenhun harijan panchayat komiti lani HPC ha ka tayo ka bakaddu jong benai nailur ya ka ba on sepenyat da chief secretary usembut menjerang ba ubedai pet ya ka tenat penroi sor uba asngau bahalang dhar ula penskem ha ka bayadai bat keniga khubor ha ka ba ula ongru ba ka kenhun harijan panchayat komiti kala kerpat ya ka jing penjelan por haduk ka tayo ka bakaddu jong ubenai nailur bat ya ka jingelang on sepelong no ru ha ka kerdan jong chief secretary ka bala banlong ha ka bakut jong uni ubenai.
Request is 15 days more and we give it. And again, another request coming, they are still the last week of September and we already discussed officially and at the level of Chief Secretary, he will call a meeting with them once more, maybe some in the last part of this month.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba polling do ulakot pelong ya ke jingelang jong ki he ki han na ketenat soka beper-per kum na ketenat pulit ketenat social welfare ketenat pet ya ka an ke kanun bat ya ke pliu jingmut halo ke jing pendon kam Meghalaya udrok aba ai jingkren shikila patai khubor hadien belawai ke jingelang uba polling do uletu ba ke le dep yemir jingmut halo kilat kilenti banyakun persya ya udrok Kentup ru bantau ya ki kenhun Village Defence Party lani VDP man pengklan ya ki bawa pahara ki snong ki tau bat banile persya ya ki nu ki kam ki be dei bat udrok ula pentip ru ba ki ladon ki jing ai jingmut ban kentup lang no ya ki jaka ki puta jong ka shlong cantonment hapo ka an the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act ban pentikna ya ka jing shim kerteng ya ki nong snong bero
and have not been able to tackle the issue of settlers within the jurisdiction of the cantonment area. So a number of suggestions had come up during the meeting, including bringing the area under the MRSSA for immediate registration of residents of that area.
Unong ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong baka jingtung kam ya ke MP Berim jong ketura ke agataki Sangma kum ke chairperson jong ke State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Kedai ke benta ke bepen pau syai kedar bagi sokat jela ke aila tangela ki jong ki bahiyang asem bat ka baya sya shiliang. Da ke bekentu ki pat ba ban pet hi dalade ki lat ki kabu ki bebon jaj bala ai na kitnat sorkar repair bat kiwei na kinie kadai kena katnat pulen. Unong elam kaliang persya ulaong ba unsa dawai ka jingilang jong State Security Commission bahkan itu no jing penbijai ai ka pisah sorkar da ka pendon kam bakla ia ki pulen.
Favoritism with which they have been running this government with complete sense of impunity. Now, it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified person facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No, it goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department, okay? One is the police department. I will be demanding for a State Security Commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities.
Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare uba polling do ula pengsan hakabe day ba kajing tung ya ka Agatha Sangma kum ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights da ka ba ai daw ba ka day ka balai don benta hapo ki kam do ba thau an ka bala biang ka kerdan puli puthi ba ka ba don ru e ka nong rem shakri pai ba uba polling do ula pensyai ba ka jing tung ya ka Sangma kala long hadian bala dep ban bishar benia ben peben bat hadian ru ba ikertong bala jet ningkong ila weng kerteng no ila dia ula kentat ya ka jing keno ba ka don kanu ka jing sha liang shiliang khmat haga ba ula banjur lo ka jing don kam jong ka dan puli puthi bat kiwei dia.
Important matter which I have also shared with you in the past was that we had already approached and identified an individual whom we had recommended as chairperson of the Child Rights Commission. I think on Saturday last when we had met as a cabinet, the name of Ms. Agatha Sangma was proposed. This was after we have done due diligence on the matter, considering her experience in Parliament, considering her educational qualification, and also considering the fact that she has had long innings in public service.
Nong ilam kaliang persya o Dr. Mukul Sangma hakas ngining kong ulaong ba unsulit jingo hidaladi syaki jaka ba pera ban saki dalaki jong ki khmat hakabe dai ba kajing pentrai kam ya skim jal jiven mission lani JJM hapo ka jala Meghalaya. Unong ilam kaliang persya ulaong ba baro kitip ba kane ka sorkar kan yai len nagapor syakapor da ka ba ong ba don ya ki jing tho jing tar ki bobiang. Usang mau laong ru ba ka soka jela kala job ya ka khusnam kum ka jela ka bala ban le bhatam aga be dei ba ka jing pentrei kam ya ka skim JJM na ka daw jong kini ki jing tho jing tar ki bala penbit penbiang thek pathek nong elam jong kaliang persya o bedei ru nong thau an na ka seng Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kan tho ting e persya ka soka jela na ka daw ka kam long ka ba shai ka be dei ba ka jing penbet thek pathek ya ka pisah pilain hakaba ula keno ru bakalala bandon daki weipat ki jing temu na lendat na do ka basdang ula ong bah ka po ba udang long menteri dang ba ka jela ba dei pet ya katnat platingka uju pet bah ya ki dak kishin kum ka debt to the gross state domestic product and GSDP ratio kat kum ka jing thu jong u kini ki dei ki dak kishin ki badon kam ban pelong kum ki thong
target set because earlier during our time before the amendment of the FRBM Act, there was an amendment. Subsequent amendment was resorted to by the present government also. And that is what I'm saying. They have amended certain portion in order to create these provisions for them to borrow more. So they say that, oh, it is allowed, it is allowed. I'm telling you, both government of India have also, to a great extent, have not examined it properly and have agreed. That's why they pick it right on the government of India sometimes. But fiscal discipline is a fiscal discipline. If there is a deviation from fiscal discipline, it doesn't mean that only state government may be deviating from the fiscal discipline. It may be union government also who is also deviating from the fiscal discipline.
Ka HYC Riboy District hinden ka si kalajit ikinong kit kam jong ka HYC killing unit ka bapentiknai ka kam bakibat kat kum ki kerdon ka HYC. Kini kibla syajit thamai kin ai jing syakri na kabenta kinong shnong jong kathan killing kabadon Hariboy District. Kinong kit kam bathamai ki kentup ya uba Bisharlang Rupasi kum u Presiden uba Shanbor Bandara bat uba Filos Taryang kum ki Vice President paduba Everlasting Lamen kum u General Secretary nalor ki wei ki dekhot. Ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad lani ABVP kala pelong ya ke program patugan Sangma Best Student Award ahaja apusau ke District Auditorium Tura. Ukongsan hagane gesngi u Biswajit Daimari uba long ulampang jong ke yang dawa tau an ke Assam ulai ro ya baro kinong yo khusnam ki ba IT la dia met bat mensiem ha ke puli puthi badru ula banjur lo ka jingkongsan ba ke puli puthi kan long ka jingkentiu ya keri. Usembut Kongsan u Bernard N. Marak ubadai UMDC jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ula penslur yaki kena pulia banyai minat baban long kinong no senyang ha ke imlang kesalang.
We are organizing this. I'm actually invited to the program which is being organized by the ABVP, Thogan Ningmanja Best Student Award. Okay. And this is the program which the ABVP is organizing every year. And I have been associated with ABVP for quite many years.
Menteri Ketnat ki kam jengok kai perthai uba polling do ula jubab halo ka jing yakhi jong ka seng all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association lani AKMTTA da ka bakentu bandon ka jing teli ka wei hapdeng ki senjok bat ula pensyai ru halo ka jing duna palat lai haja teli kali ban kit yakinong wan jengok kai ula ong ru ba ka long ka bakong san bagi seng beper ki dei ban lumlang ha ka wei keren san ula ong syu ru bat la baladep ban pelong artli ki jingelang bat ki ken hun beper ki badon jinge dei bat ki kam jengok kai perthai ken thup ya ki trai bat ki nong nya kali ki trai yang besar bat ki nong elam lenti
with everybody connected with the tourism sector, including transporters, including hoteliers, homestay owners, travellers associations, guides. All of these have been involved in 2 rounds of discussions. What emerged from that discussion was that a number of issues were flagged, but it's very important that the various associations come under a single platform.
Kalimpung All Marngar Ex-Servicemen and Service Association lani AMENSA Knockout Football Tournament kebalai bala penyat daka AMENSA kelakut no daka jing penyekhun ya ki kenhun hapdeng ka yo maulong FC bat ka lang pandur FC umden UMLA kanong po uba Melbourne im ulalong ukongsan bat la senran lang ya u da ki dekhot jong ka senjuk bat kinong elam bapau khmat jong kani kathan hakane ka jing khun ka yo maulong FC kala long kanong job da ka ba kala pelim no ya ka lang pandur FC da arla not la ai khusnam chika kan hun ka bla job da ka song pisa ka balong arpau hajar tingka rengkat bat ka trophy kat ba ka kan hun ka balawan ba ar kala yo opdang khatsan hajar tingka lembat ka trophy mentapat ini pe ka jing long jing man ka sun beneng ka jing shit ka long apusan 0.9 degree Celsius bat ka jing khiat ka long khat nyo 0.9 degree Celsius ka jing skam ka hau ka long nyop khundai nak shispa agapo men step bat prap khundai nak shispa agapo jan miet ka jing hap slap ka long iway 0.9 millimeters kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malu mala ba ka jing tiet upar that aki kat tu kat ne teli ki jaka shaban poi shik bakut jong thup khubon ni pe biang sai sen ni kini kimat bukong san Ajingkran u Amit Shah akasngi play perda ya ke Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. Penbait ke Soka Meghalaya ban Shong jingelang bat ke Harjan Panchayat Committee ke tayo ke bakat du jung benai nailor. Pelong Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare ke jingelang ke badon kam bagi he ki han jung ketnat soka beper bani merjing mut hello drop. Talanting unong elam keliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma hello ka jingtung kam chairperson jung State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Badai jubab Menteri kam jengok kai pertai ba polling do hlo ka jingki jong seng all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association. Keparlok kat tungi lapoi shibukut jeng tup kubo jeng mentaga janmiat hadu bangin na syamret pil syaik sengi hagajuk kapo kubli shibonyi pibaro.
An Indian contingent from Paris Paralympics returned to New Delhi, receives rousing welcome. In national news first, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the first governing board meeting of the newly formed Anusandhan National Research Foundation, ANRF, in